Hello, this is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters welcoming you to Nahwatzel Beach here in Washington State. And it was a beautiful trail coming in, and this is where a lot of the locals will go on hot days, in the back side of Nahwatzel Lake, to go swimming. This is where I truly wish I had a waterproof unit, because this beach goes all the way out to the pilings, only 2 or 3 feet deep. And you can see it's the prime area to lose some rings. Well, let's see what we can find. Okay. Alright, that's a solid 80 to 83. Okay, 3 inches deep. Let's go ahead and give this a dig. Make sure I don't lose this spot. Alright. It's all the way down to the sand. There it is right there. Another bottle. Pull tab. Got another target over here. And blue moon. Alright, let's keep digging. I got a faint little repeater right there. 5 or 6 inches. I think I'm gonna try digging this one, because I got the shovel. That's gonna get me down there to the layer of sand quickly. And we got a coin. An old dime. And that is, oh, a good 6, almost 7 inches. So finally, not a bottle cap. We got a nice dime. And let's see if I can get a year on it. It's been down there a minute or two. 1998D. Okay, at least we're into the coins. Into the coins, and that's a nice 6 inches down into the sand layer. Alright, let's keep digging. Well, something good right there on the top. Rolling Rock. Oh, one of my favorite adult beverages, the Rolling Rock. Nothing left. All right. I am very, very pleased with the Garrett AT. What a spectacular tool. All right. Four inches deep, right there. Let's see what we can do. It's a high signal, like a dime, but everything has been coming up bottle caps. So let's see what the old Garrett. Oh, look at this. I see it right there. All right, see if we can zoom in. Oops. Here, I'll pick it up. I see a coin peeking out right there. Oh yeah. So my second nice coin. Again, this is a dime that's turned pink in this mineralization. Turning pink, 1975. Wow, 1975 clad dime. All right. Let's keep digging. All right. I got a solid screaming signal in the 30s. Three inches deep, right there. So, let's give this a little dig. I'm got the discrimination off except for iron because I'm hoping that I get a ring or some jewelry. Okay, and it is down in the sand level. See that packed sand? Look at this. We have a coin, and it is a nickel. It's a newer nickel, clad nickel. And then let me make sure. All right, newer nickel. So at least we're getting out of the bottle caps. All right, got another strong signal. Deep, right there. Oh, let's see here. Okay, looks like we have some nail, and it's been around a while. That's quite corroded. So we still have a little in the hole. This could be where a fire was, and they burnt all kinds of stuff. That is a whole level of burnt ash under there. But looks like we did get it out of the hole. And a nail. Old rusty dogs. So let's put it in the pouch, bury this all back up, and let's keep digging. All right, so higher. Okay, we're looking at 3 inches right there. Let's see what we can find. One giant scoop into the sand level. And let's get the pro pointer working. Huh. All right. Now we're down in there. And what do we got? Old bottle cap. That's about 5 inches deep. Okay. I'm getting a nice strong signal in the 40s. Jumps from the 20s to the 40s. But it is a screamer. 2 inches right there. Let's go ahead and dig this and see. Okay, see, this pro pointer is an amazing tool, must have, and it goes through the couple inches of pine needles and it's picking up in the sand layer here. So let's see what we got. This was a little lower, and we got some can slaw. Definitely some old can slaw. But I totally love my new Garrett carrot. Oh, holy smoke. It's a zinc reading overloaded on the surface. Alright, let's dig it just to see what's there. Okay. So that has to be a penny right on the top. Where are you? Okay, that's the overloading can, top of a can. Let's put that in the pouch, and it still looks like a can and a rusty nail. Oh, my worst nightmare. At this point, I would take some zinc pennies. Look at all these. It must have been a campfire here. Yeah, we're just cleaning up the beach, which is a good thing. Getting all these pieces of metal out here. Yeah, this must have been a small little campfire area. Yeah, this whole thing is hot. Well, let's keep trying. It's a beautiful evening here on Nahwatzel. I've come down to one end of the beach where I got this little high tone. It's a nice repeater, 88 to 90. Four inches deep, so I think I'm going to dig it. Okay, a little bit of glass here. It's getting down to this more of the clay level, which is always what I like. A little bit more of the compacted sand and dirt. Target's still in the hole. Getting closer to it. It's quite a ways down there. It's coming out of the hole. Yeah. And it is an old deep. It is all 6 inches. Rusty bottle cap. It's a beautiful night here on the lake though. This one screams a dime at 80, but them darn bottle caps have been coming up at 80. So let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. All right. Finally, a nice memorial penny. Sounds good. Put that in the pouch and let's see what's here with it. Well, there's another target right next to it. And that old rusty bottle cap. But you know what they say, I'd take a rusty bottle cap and a penny over a rusty bottle cap any day. Okay, I went back and checked the hole. And there was another target before I went to bury it. So I'm going to dig this one out just a little bit more. And sure enough, I almost jumped to burying it too soon. So I got 2 pennies and a bottle cap. Alright, and they've been down there a while. 2 sandy pennies and a bottle cap. Better check it one more time. Okay. Alright, let's keep digging. Well, flashing that 81 2 inches deep, and you know, it's that bottle cap kind of sound, but we'll dig it anyway because it is a screaming signal right there. Look at that. Look at this. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is a 2013 Philippine 1 peso Republic of Philippines. Don't know if that's a quarter coin or what, but it's definitely, you wonder how it got here. That's awesome. Filipina. Okay, and getting another signal right here. Look at this. Another one. Oh, no, that's a quarter. Oh, beautiful. 1981 American quarter. All right. We got a little pocket spill going on here of a couple quarters, or a Filipino coin and a quarter. Now that, I can dig it. Okay. Rainy day treasure hunters here in the beautiful Lake Nahwatzel, this little beach area. Alrighty. And the awesome fisher at work. Okay, once again, lighting up like crazy. Several targets, just screaming. So, could be a pocket spill type of deal. I am going to put the Garrett on the job. Definitely, can you see that? I flipped it right out. That's a beautiful sight. I couldn't flip that out again. I hope I got it. See right here? Okay. It's connected with a root or something, and look at the green on that, so hopefully get it in the light here. It's just a zinc penny actually, but flip that sucker right out. Let's make sure nothing's still down here. Oh, we got another target right off to the side. And big old rusty nail. All right. Okay, we're gonna dig this. We're running out of memory, so I'll have to dig it sort of fast. See if I can get a good target. Oh yeah, look at that. Got a nice 25-cent newer quarter. All right. Rainy day treasure hunter. 69.70. Right there, 3 inches deep. I think I'm going to dig it. Get over here. Three inches deep right here. Looks like there's a stick. Let's get down in this muck. Oh, I love the smell of this wild mint growing all around. It's not in the plug. I think it's I'm seeing broken bottle, so we'll put that in the pouch. Lost. Nope, I got it. Right here. Look at that. Oh my God, that's an old copper penny. 19. It's like 1976S. Oh yeah, 1976S. Long live the Garrett. Rainy day treasure hunters. We got a beautiful evening coin hunt, beach hunt, Lake Nahwatzel in Washington State. There's my partner Larry. Hey Larry, yeah. Just give a wave. Just give a little wave. That's my partner Larry. Rainy day treasure hunters. Having a blast on this beautiful evening at Lake Nahwatzel. Go. Well, thank you for watching from Rainy Day Treasure Hunters here in the Pacific Northwest. We had a wonderful day out at Nahwatzel Lake. digging this beach. Larry and I, got coin spills and a lot of bottle caps and a lot of pool tabs. But what a wonderful evening. A beautiful summer hunt here in the Pacific Northwest. Rainy day treasure hunters. Keep swinging, keep digging. Well, there's a little product review at the end. The mighty Fisher F5 did me good. Cleaned up a lot of foil and trash so the kids, you know, don't cut their feet. You got all the bottle caps from Angry Orchard to Blue Moon and Corona. And the funny thing was, Larry gave me these 2 caps. Thanks for the 15 amazing years, Mike. I love it. And I got a 1981 quarter, a Filipino quarter, and a newer nickel, newer quarter. And my oldest dime was 1970. What did I say? I'll have to look it up. And I got an early 70s penny, copper penny. Wonderful day at Nahwatzel Lake. Thank you, Larry, for going with me. Rainy day treasure hunters from the Pacific Northwest. Keep swinging, keep digging.